Physics Part 132. The resistance of a sample semiconductor decreases as the temperature increases. This is the opposite behavior to a metal. The resistance of a metal wire increases as the temperature increases. Thermistors are used as temperature sensors, making use of the fact that the resistance changes considerably with temperature. Light-dependent resistors, LDRs, are also made from semiconducting materials. As their name suggests, their resistance can be altered by a change in light intensity. The brighter the light, the lower the resistance. LDRs are used in light sensors and camera exposure melters, in camera exposure meters. Diodes are also made from semiconducting materials. The diode conducts when the current is in direction of the arrowhead on the symbol. This condition is also called a forward bias. When the voltage is reversed, there is a negative bias. This is called reversed bias. The figure shows this important difference in the current voltage graph. When the voltage is reversed, the diodes are used to change the alternating current into the direct current in devices called rectifiers. Resistance and temperatures. All solids are made of atoms and that constantly vibrate about their equilibrium position. The higher the temperature, the greater amplitude of the vibration. Electric current is the flow of free electrons through the material. As the electron moves, they collide with the vibrating atoms, so their movement is impeded. The more the atoms vibrate, the greater is the chance of collision. This means that the current is less and the resistance is greater. A temperature rise can cause an increase in the number of free electrons. If there are more electrons free to move, this may outweigh the effect due to the vibrating atoms, and thus the flow of electrons or the current will increase. This resistance is therefore reduced. This is the case in semiconductor insulators. They show a reduction in resistance with temperature. They show a resistance with the temperature rise. For metals, there is no increase in the number of free electrons. The increased amplitude of the vibration of the atoms makes the resistance of the metals increase with temperatures. Resistivity. Well, there is a resistance and there is resistivity. All materials have some resistance to the flow of charge. A potential difference across the material causes free charge inside to accelerate. As the charges move through the material, they collide with the atoms of the material which get in their way. They transfer some or all of their kinetic energy and then accelerate their way. They transfer some of their or whole of their energy and then accelerate again. It is this transfer of energy on collision that causes electrical heating. As you might guess, the longer a wire, the greater its resistance. This is because the charge have further to go through the material. There is more chance of collisions with the atoms of material. In fact, the resistance is proportional to the length of the wire, or R to I.